The shogun could have prevented this easily. The Tokugawa's policy of isolation will turn us into China, subservient and vulnerable to outsiders.
Mitsubishi, do you hear yourself right now? If anyone would have heard that, or if you had said that to anyone else, that could have been the end of you. I agree that our position is caused by some past mistakes. But please, watch what you're saying.
I just hope these Americans don't want too much, sir. I've heard they're very firm and undemanding in their, demands when the others are met with them. Oh, there he is now. Sir, I wish you luck.
Greetings and thank you. I'm here on behalf of the President of the United States of America. I've come to deliver this letter to your shogun. Please take it to him. All we want is to open ports for trade and diplomatic relations. I will return with more ships in a year. Thank you.
Sir, I don't believe that we face any other choice but to surrender.
No, I will not have this family come out of my control. It's been under my control for generations. No!
But sir, if we don't sign this treaty, they could very well destroy us. Yes, if we do not sign this treaty to open the ports, they could very well attack us and destroy our power. If your incompetence doesn't do that first.
Did you say something else?
No.
I guess you're right. I mean, we'd all be safer.
Yes, I believe that we should look into this more.
The shogun let this happen to us. If he had not confined us to isolation, it could be powerful world plans. Only if we could somehow get the emperor to come to power. Or at least make it appear this way. Between his holiness as a descendant of the sun god and his influence, he could become a major player if he lent his support to someone else. Maybe the power would fall away from the farmers and daimyo like Logan, and towards the samurai in the city like me.
Sir, there are men of just lost battle. The Imperialists are coming for you.
Darn it! That's the last time I listened to Nobu. Alright, that's it. I'm done with this. I'm going to surrender to the Emperor at Edo. See ya. Where's the Shogun?
He left. Please don't kill me. I'm just the messenger.
Where's he going?
He left for Edo to go submit to the Emperor.
You may leave. Why did you let him go? He's probably just a random soldier they grabbed for the job. He didn't probably know anything we didn't already know, you know? Anyway, I don't think the Shogun will be an issue. He's gone, his army's been defeated, he's alone. I think he'll turn up soon enough.
Alright.
The Shogun's forces have been defeated, Your Highness.
Yes, I've already been informed of this. You see, the Shogun fled to me after the battle to surrender to me. You will no longer be an issue. You samurai have done well. You see, I see great potential in you.
Thank you, Your Highness. It is an honor above all others to hear that from you.
Indeed. Also, on behalf of the samurai, welcome back to your rightful place in this world. All hail the Emperor of Japan, the mightiest of all men in this world, in the true power of Japan.
you.